Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the light button, this one right here, and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 10 seconds, so let's press and hold the light button, keep holding it. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds, and then you can release it. And at this point the watch should be turned off, as you can see. Okay, and after you turn off the watch, you can wait a couple of seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. Keep holding it until you see the Fenix logo on the screen. Like this. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.